I was walking down a dusty road, heart so heavy with a sinner's load. Didn't know which way I should go, didn't see the fall till I hit that low. I tried religion, tried my pride, tried to cross that river on the other side, but grace came running where I couldn't be. I didn't find God, He found me. I didn't find God on my own, didn't build a bridge to heaven's throne. In my shame He called my name when I couldn't even crawl. He came. I was blind but now I can see, lost in sin but He set me free. It wasn't me reaching up, you see, I didn't find God, He found me. I was high one day and low the next, bound by guilt and full of regret. Wore my smile like a Sunday suit, but inside my soul was worn plumb through. I heard a voice in the dark one night, said, son, your wrong can be made right. I fell to my knees with a thank you plea. Didn't find God, He found me. I didn't find God on my own, didn't build a bridge to heaven's throne. In my shame He called my name when I couldn't even crawl. He came. I was blind but now I can see, lost in sin but He set me free. It wasn't me reaching up, you see, I didn't find God, He found me. No map, no light, no open door, no good deeds could save this soul, till mercy knocked and grace walked in and washed me clean from all my sin. Now I walk with a brand new song, still not perfect but I'm pressing on. Every step is a testifying walk, every breath is a gospel talk. If you're wandering like I once did, wondering if He'd take you in, let me tell you, friend, just trust and see. You won't find God, He'll find thee. You won't find God on your own, you can't climb your way to mercy's throne. He's already reaching, already near, whispering hope in your darkest fear. He'll lift you when you're too weak to crawl, hold you when you're about to fall, just like He did for someone like me. I didn't find God, He found me. No, I didn't find God, He found me. Thank you, Lord, you found me.